Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Sangeeta Bhagat and today I am here to share a very interesting topic, that is the difference between gender or the sex. So let us start. Gender is mainly categorized into two different types, that is heterosexual and homosexual. Let us start with heterosexual. What is heterosexual? Heterosexuality is romantic attraction, sexual attraction or sexual behavior between persons of the opposite gender or sex. Someone who is heterosexual is commonly referred to as straight. Now, the person who comes under this category can give birth to a baby in a very natural process without taking any artificial means of medical help, as the heterosexual peoples are mentally, physically and biologically fit to reproduce. For example, a straight male and a straight female can give birth to a newborn baby without any issues. So this is what heterosexual is. Now next category of gender is homosexual. Now what is homosexual? That we need to know now. Homosexuality exists across cultures and even throughout the animal kingdom. Here is what we don't know, what specifically causes someone to become homosexual, straight or something in between. Part of the explanation is genetic. But because most identical twins of gay people are straight, so heredity does not explain everything. Scientists do not yet know the exact cause of sexual orientation, but they theorized that it is caused by a complex interplay of genetic, hormonal and environmental influences and do not view it as a choice. So now, the most common term for homosexual people are lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender and intersex. Now let us learn it in details. Now look at the table very carefully. Here is the common terms for the homosexual people are. Number 1. Lesbian. So whom we call as lesbian. It is defined as sexual or romantic attraction to people of one's same sex. The term lesbian is often used to refer to female only. In this case, a female person gets attracted to another female person. The next, gay, whom we call as a gay. It is also defined as the sexual or romantic attraction to people of one's same sex. The term gay is often used to refer to men only. So in this case, a male person gets attracted to another male person. Now next category is bisexual. It is sexually attracted not exclusively to people of one particular gender but attracted to both women and men. So what we need to know in bisexual is a male person can get attracted to both female and male. Similarly, a female person can also get attracted to both male and female. This is what bisexual is. Now next is transgender. Transgender people are people whose gender identity is different from the gender that they were thought to be at birth. When we are born, the doctor usually says that we are male or female based on what our bodies look like. So this is transgender. Now lastly, intersex. Intersex is very rare under homosexual category. Chance of having intersex is 0.001 or even less than that, as it is very rare to find in homosexual category, but also it do exist. A person possessing both male and female reproductive parts in itself comes under intersex category. I hope the common difference between the heterosexual and homosexual may be clear to you all. So now, having a baby in heterosexual gender is very common and natural. And you might think, what about homosexual genders? Can they give birth to a new baby? Now having a baby and building your family when you identify yourself as a LGBT. LGBT stands for lesbian, gay, bisexual and transgender. It is the shortest form. Whenever you identify as gay, lesbian, bisexual or transgender, if you want to have baby or raise children, you have many options. Possibly more options that you have imagined. Granted, having babies as a same-sex couple or LGBT individual can be complicated. There are many logistical issues, legal hurdles and financial obstacles homosexual couples rarely consider or even need to deal with. Just like heterosexual individuals, some LGBT couples or people will face infertility on top of situational infertility. All that said, Well, there is a will, there is a way. Lots of LGBT people are raising kids. According to the Williams Institute in 2019, almost 29% of those who identify themselves as LGBT report raising children. In the United States of America, an estimated 3 million LGBT individuals have had a child, and an estimated 6 million children have an LGBT parent. So now, how can LGBT couples can have baby if they don't want to be pregnant or they want to be pregnant? So here is how it is. There are many options for LGBT persons for parenting, and which includes number 1, adoption. Some same-sex people can apply to adoption through a local authority or adoption agencies. Number 2 is surrogacy. Surrogacy is when a woman who is not genetically related to the child agrees to be a gestational carrier and carry a pregnancy for a couple or individual. This is typically supported by a legal contract agreement. Number 3 is artificial intrauterine insemination (IUI) with donor sperm. Artificial insemination is a form of assisted reproductive technology that uses sperm either from known friend, partner, or from a donor. Number 4 is IVF, in vitro fertilization. It is done with or without a gestational carrier with an embryo donor. Number 5 is reciprocal in vitro fertilization with donor sperm. When undergoing reciprocal IVF, one partner provides egg, while the partner who is interested in being pregnant would carry and deliver the baby. Some couples prefer this because they feel it's a more shared experience since both partners are actively involved. So these are some of the basic points which we need to know about the genders. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell icon. Thank you.